Hello, welcome to my home. Hello, welcome to my home.
Please come inside. Please come inside. Please sit here. Please sit here. Was the road busy today? Was the road busy today? Here is some cold water. Here is some cold water. The weather is very nice today. The weather is very nice today. This is my living room. This is my living room. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? I also made some snacks. I also made some snacks. I am very happy you came today. I am very happy you came today. My home is small but cozy. My home is small but cozy. These are my family photos. These are my family photos. Is the tea too hot? Is the tea too hot? I love cooking at home. Please try this cake. Please try this cake. Today was a busy day for me. Today was a busy day for me. I take care of these plants every day. I take care of these plants every day. Lunch is ready now. Lunch is ready now. I made your favorite food. I made your favorite food. Let us enjoy the meal together. Let us enjoy the meal together. The food was very delicious today. I also brought some fresh fruit. I also brought some fresh fruit. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends for many years. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. I baked the cake this morning. I baked the cake this morning. Let me bring more tea for you. Let me bring more tea for you. I want to visit the market tomorrow. I want to visit the market tomorrow. It is nice to spend time together. It is nice to spend time together. I made some ice cream for dessert. I made some ice cream for dessert. We had many happy memories together. We had many happy memories together. The evening feels very peaceful. The evening feels very peaceful. It is getting late now. It is getting late now. Please take these snacks with you. Please take these snacks with you. Let me walk you to the door. Let me walk you to the door. Thank you for visiting my home. Thank you for visiting my home. Please visit again soon. Please visit again soon. I will clean the table now. I will clean the table now. Today made me very happy. Today made me very happy. The night looks beautiful outside. The night looks beautiful outside. It is time to rest now. It is time to rest now. I had a wonderful day today. I had a wonderful day today. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night and sweet dreams.